What's up, guys? Good evening. Give me a sec. Just setting up. Teka. Mukha ko muna. So, what's up, guys? Pa-comment naman pag clear yung audio and music if you're listening to it. So tonight, we're actually just gonna give a really quick update. Ano nga ba nangyayari sa Millionaires Cup yung competition namin. And we're also gonna be doing a live raffle for our Investa Summit share contest. And maybe after everything, I can look through some charts maybe sa crypto. Kita natin bumagsak yung crypto. So yeah, it's late at night but tuloy pa rin. So let's take a look at a few of the names. So but actually tonight I'm joined by one of my teammates, right? Sa Investa. You might baka nakikita niyo siya, no? Lalo na sa TikTok, very active sa TikTok namin. So, game, pasok na ito bro sa stream.
Hey guys!
What's up, Chris? So, Chris, for the benefit of those na baka hindi ka pa kilala, kindly give a short introduction naman about yourself. Kasi nakikita ka lang sa TikTok eh.
So, hi guys. So I'm Chris, and yeah, you might have seen my TikToks in Investa, and yes, looking forward to the updates tonight.
Yeah. So si Chris, isa sa mga active namin teammates pagdating sa content side. And Chris, nagte-trade ka, 'di ba? You parang mas active ka sa crypto, tama ba?
Yeah, mas active sa crypto especially recently. Kaya kaya yung news talaga kahapon about sa pagbagsak ng crypto was a big blow. Pero okay lang, ganoon talaga.
Yeah. How'd you handle the quick crash last night? Kasi ako, tumama lahat ng stops ko. Ikaw, what happened to you? How'd you handle that?
Mostly naman, luckily, yung mga hina-hold ko talaga, long-term talaga. So yung mga heavy hitters like Bitcoin and Ethereum, yun lang yung mga hina-hold ko currently. Pero yung mga smaller na crypto, I gave it up na muna for now kasi it's too volatile for me.
Yeah. Super volatile in the market ngayon. Alright, solid. So, yeah. So, we'll be doing a quick Millionaires Cup update and raffle for everybody. So, actually, we can start now. Huwag natin patagalin pa. So, yeah, good evening, everybody. We'll be doing, the Millionaires Cup midweek update. Tignan natin ano ba yung mga best trades ng top 10 natin. So, syempre, una muna, Chris, let's congratulate, So, virtual round of applause para sa top 10 natin.
Congratulations, guys!
Yeah. So, these are the current nasa top 10. I think we have around a week or 2 weeks left sa competition. So, medyo dikit, no? Chris, kung napansin mo, yung top 1 tsaka top 2, wala pang 1% yung agwat nila, bro. Halos micro percentage lang. So, matindi yung laban.
A small percent can make a difference talaga, no?
Yeah. It's as small as a difference as if you keep a loss too big, that can make the difference. So, kudos sa top 10 natin. Especially sa top 3, top 1, tsaka 2. So, So, I guess before we move on, right, sa trades nila, maybe we can do a quick overview sa PSEI. Right, so maybe, Chris, we can start with you. I know you started trading the local markets bago ka nag-crypto. So, I mean, what are you looking at? What are you seeing sa PSEI natin today? I mean, as of now.
So, currently, of course, like the bigger picture na nakikita ko is it's good na nag-recover na kahit paano yung PSEI from the past, di ba nag-ECQ recently, and daming surge ng cases, and madaming business nag-close. So, market confidence talaga was at a really all-time low. And it's great to see na nag-recover na rin siya, somewhat. And yung net foreign niya looks more promising na rin now than it did a month ago, actually, or in a few weeks ago. So, it's a good thing na nag-recover siya.
Yeah. Yun, solid. So, congrats, no, sa mga nakapag-take advantage ng pang short recovery.
Yes, congrats, guys.
Daming mga leaders, like Globe, Wilcon, ano ba, Tel was one. Of course, si Converge, andun pa rin, and a few others na all HC. So, yeah, congrats. I mean, I'm looking at the index. So, hopefully, 7,000 talaga. Yun yung lagi natin hina-highlight. Dapat ma-break yung 7,000 na level. But if it doesn't break above 7,000, baka for the rest of the year, maybe we can go sideways, 'di ba? Tapos it might be a bit choppy, 'di ba? Kapag pa sideways lang, but at least kaysa naman mag-breakdown. So let's see what happens.
Yeah. Nakakatakot talaga mag-trade at this kind of climate right now sa market. Kaya kudos talaga to everyone trading. Ang lalakas ng loob niyo. At great job sa mga kumita.
Yan, congrats. So now maybe we can look at yung mga best trades nung top 10 natin. So, hold on. Yeah, okay, let's start. So first, EMP. So actually, marami din nakapag-trade ng EMP, but there's actually one participant in the top 10 or top 5, sige, liitan na natin, who was able to trade EMP na hawak niya yung core position. So mukhang trend follower yung mentality niya dito. Ang average price niya, mga chong, dito. So, dito pa, nung lumabas yung news na mag-list siya sa Singapore, if I'm not mistaken, hawak lang niya yung position, di ba? So, it looks like trend following mentality niya dito, up 25% from that point. Di siya napabenta nung medyo sharp yung pullback. Well, luckily naman, nag-hold, right? If we zoom it in, kita natin, di ba? Nag-hold siya dun sa breakout point, acted as a new support level, what we call role reversal. And yeah, actually, there's also a few from the top 10, top 20 na range trade naman to. Diba? Bumili nung retest, binenta yung rally. So, di ko na-highlight in transactions, but there's a good amount of traders who were able to do that sa Millionaire Cup. So, kudos to everyone. So, next, Chris.
Good strategy. So, next is All Home naman. So, as you can see from the chart, ng All HC, okay, All HC, yung code, we can see na it's going on uptrend naman. So, it's looking good so far. And also, looking at the net foreign, from June to September, although may medyo setback sa gitna, it's generally going really well. Tumataas talaga. At ngayon, 5.16 siya. And actually, one of the top traders, bumili siya at 4.07. At nag-hold siya until 5.10. That's halos 26% na kita. Imagine mo yun, and that's a good strategy. Swerte.
Yeah.
And as you can see, nag-start siya at so zoom in natin, nakita natin na around 4 area, 4.07, at nabenta niya at 5.10. Grabe, that's a 25.96% na profit. That's over one-fourth ng isang portfolio mo if ever nag-all-in ka.
Pero di pa pwede mag-all-in sa
di pa pwede,
competition.
Delikado pa.
Siyempre, ingat tayo doon. 33% yung max allocation. But yeah, all HC, strong trade, one of the leaders now. Ang ganda nung, mukhang maganda yung approach ng trader to, able to accumulate, right, at key support level, EMA 50. Malamang anticipatory position prior to the breakout. I think nag-add pa nga siya nung nag-breakout and then held the position, sold into strength. 26% gain. So yeah, kudos.
It's a good opportunity talaga to anyone looking, but ingat pa rin, syempre.
Last ni All HC. So, next naman si Dito. So, si Dito, downtrending stock, pero medyo nagka-momentum, nung nag-break above EMA 50. Yun yung palagi natin hina-highlight sa charting sessions natin. EMA 50, key resistance ni Dito, right? And so, one of our participants was able to take advantage of the momentum, right? So, if we zoom in to his or her trade, actually almost the same parang mentality dun sa All HC. It's an anticipatory position prior to the breakout, no? So, which is not always advisable since minsan it's an unnecessary trade. Pero ito mukhang may conviction, mukhang mataas yung probability, I guess, yung sa isip ng trader natin And yeah, was able, actually tatlo yung buy transaction niya dyan. So, talaga nag-accumulate siya. And then sold it immediately sa rally, sa 9, no? Sold it at 9. So mukhang very short-term trade. Pero pwede na, Chris, no? 16%. Pwede na.
Yeah, 16%. Malaki na talaga yun. So especially for short-term trade, that's a really lucky buy.
Yeah, 2-3 days lang hinawakan. Pwede na talaga yung 16%. So yeah. So that's for dito. And then lastly
for AP. So ito ang isa sa mga for a blue chip stock, it's actually a really good opportunity right now and malaki ang gains from it. So currently looking at it, there was a big dip around June or end of May. But as you can see, na it's been going up naman ever since. And there's one good buy point from it. And observing na rin naman yung EMA 50, it's going towards a really good direction rin. As you can see, yung trader na to, bumili siya at around 24, which was the time na may good earnings, and nag-hold siya until 5, what's this? Sorry. 29.
around 29,
30, di ba halos? Yeah. At he or she made 21.87%. That's a huge, that's over 1/5. Kaya sobrang laking opportunity and profit yun talaga.
Yeah,
and it's
and
really good.
Yeah. And considering na large cap name, pwede na yung 20%.
And this is within a span of less than 1 month, no?
Yeah,
so
probably
magandang hold na talaga.
Yeah, 2-3 weeks para sa blue chip name, 20%. Weeks, yeah. Pwede na.
Yeah, pwede na talaga for blue chip.
Yep. So yeah, actually that's most of the trades. A lot of the trades of the top 10 really revolved around EMP, all HC. There are some globes, there are some ace ends, but yeah, those are the ones we chose to highlight. So congrats, right? Sa current top 10.
Congrats everyone. Yeah. Good luck for the rest of for the next 2 weeks, no? And if you guys and if you guys want to join the next Trading Cup, don't miss out on Investa Trading Cup 2021. So this is coming up in November, on November 8, 2021. It will run up to January 28, 2022. So don't miss out on this opportunity, guys. Because if you miss out the Millionaire's Cup, may chance pa dito lalo.
Yep. So yeah, piggybacking on what Chris said, if you guys weren't able to join any of the circuits of the Millionaire's Cup, we're gonna be having our upcoming annual, the biggest competition we have every year. Chris, alam mo ba magkano yung premyo dito?
Magkano ba?
Alam ba? It's 800,000. So in total prizes, right? 800,000 total prizes. And that's just the beginning. As more participants join, lumalaki yung prize pool natin. So if you guys are interested to join, maybe we can go over it later. That's investagrams.com/trading cup. So yeah. So again, congrats. Yeah, congrats sa top 10 sa Millionaires Cup. And we'll be giving another update by next week. Diba? So Chris, bro, before I let you go, before I let you go, may ba? Pwede ba magpa-sample ng sayaw? Dalawa lang. I was just interested. I wanted to ask you before I let you go, before I do the raffle. You said you were holding on to Bitcoin and Ethereum long term. So I assume you're holding it since probably some early price last year. What's your bakit long term yung approach mo pagdating sa mga crypto na yun?
So actually I got it lang a few months ago when it was around 29, something like that.
Yeah.
And I had a long-term approach with it kasi I can see that Bitcoin is more reliable as a long-term crypto compared dun sa iba which are newer. Kasi nga Bitcoin is the first crypto talaga, and I felt like a fundamental approach to it was more reasonable ngayon because trading it, despite its volatility, wala talaga akong time for it kasi sobrang volatile na currently.
Yeah.
If trinade ko lang talaga siya ng short term, wala talaga akong tulog kasi
Tama.
It's so hard to pace yourself pagdating sa ganun. So it's holding on to it, and it kind of paid off naman, of course, except for yesterday na bumagsak. But overall, it kind of paid off rin naman, holding it long term. Same with
Yeah.
Ethereum, pero mostly Bitcoin talaga yung most of my buying power. Doon napunta.
Yeah, got it. So, yan. Good luck. The crypto, I'm not a long-term holder, so it's nice to hear that perspective. Baliktad tayo. Ako, di ko trade si Bitcoin. Doon ako sa mga altcoins, sa much smaller
Small ones.
coins. But, yeah. Pero, yun. There's more than one way to skin the cat sa market. So, good luck on your position there.
Yeah.
So, meron ka bang before I
Thank
let you go,
you.
may final words ko ba sa Investagrams community natin ngayon?
So, final words is good luck to everyone and have safe trading experiences. I hope you're all okay.
Yan, alright. So, Chris, thank you for joining me, bro. Appreciate your time.
Thank you for having me.
And kita-kits tayo bukas. Alright. Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
Alright. So, guys, now that we're done with the quick Millionaire Cup update, let's move on. At tayo naman ay magpapa-raffle. So, it's going to be for the Investa Summit. Diba? Yung pa-raffle natin sa Investa Summit. And yeah. Let me just, so hopefully if you guys join the share contest, yung naka-pin post sa FB natin, this is gonna be the third draw. The last one is gonna be on Saturday. So today we're gonna be giving away 5 focus group sessions with Berrio. Diba? So parang small group discussion with Bear Talk. Maybe, actually I don't really know kung ano yung ginagawa sa session na yun. Di pa ako naging part. But we had a few prime elite people do that, no? So now we're opening it up to the public. Feedback sa akin, sobrang solid. We're gonna be giving away 2 starter passes sa Trading Cup 2021 and 1 free standard ticket to the Investa Summit. So yeah. Teka. Nawala yung kasama ko na dapat gagawa nung ano. Okay, I guess habang inaantay siya, mag-chart na lang muna ako. Nawala sa stream yung kasama ko. Yeah, so guys, may charting pa tayo sa weekend. This one is just really for... ito na pala. Hi, Francine. Teka, remove kita ulit. Share mo na yung screen mo pag ready ka na. Mukhang okay na. Yan. So, maybe first we can do is we can do 5, right? Yung 5 winners ng focus group session with Berrio. So, Francine, if your internet's okay, we can start to choose yung mga winners natin. So, lilisan lang namin. Please message us kung napili ka. So, for our first winner, we have, sino yun? Ay, nawala. May problema ata yung internet ni Francine. Sige, ayos lang. Pwede naman ako mag-chart muna para chill lang. So, maya-maya na tayo mag-ano. So, not sure how many here nagtitrade ng crypto, but medyo grabe yung crash last night. Actually, nagulat din ako. Di kasi ako nakabantay like the whole night. I was actually just lying down reading a book. Tapos, bigla ako minesis sa tropa ko na, boy, wasak lahat. Yung market. Kasi may mga positions din siya. Sabi ko, kasi prior to it naman, wala. So, luckily, may mga auto stops naman, very small loss. Yung mga positions ko at a profit, luckily, sobrang chamba. I think it was Rose. I was able to sell it somewhere close to the high. Ito, chamba lang. Sabi ko, I didn't want to give too much gains back. Kasi So I bought it at saan ba? 0.23 na ata. The moment I bought it, 0.23, up na ako agad, 30%, 2 hours. Pero, given the volatility, and ito, now that I'm more active sa crypto, ngayon ko lang naranasan yung ganitong volatility, yung up ka 30% in 2 hours, tapos the next couple of hours, balik sa cost mo. Sakit nun, diba? Parang, but ganun talaga, you have to, my mindset was, hawakan ko for a bigger move. And medyo chinamba, I sold it at this spike, 0.34. So mga close to 50% din. But I didn't know na it was gonna crash, right? I just said I wanted to lock in the gains kasi it looks super extended. If you look at it sa daily, take out the log chart, ganyan yung itsura. So straight out of the base, diba, nag-spike lang. So I wanted to take advantage of the volatility and sell into strength rather than holding it. And then bigla nag-crash. So I got really lucky. I was able to lock in gains there. So now what I'm really looking at sa crypto is at least, actually ito yung mga issues na to. I'm looking for the issues that are holding above the 10-day EMA. So yung mga matitibay, right? So one example would be Sol, which I sold too early. May Sol ako dito sa continuation pattern, but I sold it here. So had to learn from that. So yeah, and then mga to. So these are a few names that are actually pretty strong, but still really volatile in my opinion. I'm not really rushing to getting into a position kagad. Waiting for proper continuation patterns muna. Tapos maybe pag mag-die down yung emotions, ito algo isa sa mga malakas eh. So yeah, I was waiting for the emotions to die down sa market bago pumasok. So di naman ako nagmamadali. But yeah, focusing on waiting for setups in the lead in the strong names. So yeah, I think we're ready to call on our winners again. So maybe we can do 5 muna, Francine, para dun sa focus group session ni Berio. So our first winner ng focus group session with Bear is si Mark Seneta. Or Keneta, Mark Seneta. Congrats, boss. Panalo ka ng one focus group session with Bear. You're one of the 10 winners. So congrats, Mark. Ay, wag natin patagalin pa. Let's call on our second winner. So for our second winner, we have Inza G. Or Inza G. Yeah, congrats. And again, these guys were able to join because they shared our post about the Investa Summit. Pinned post yan sa Facebook page namin. And you can still join this. My final draw pa sa Saturday. So next winner natin, third, Justin Benedict Baron. So Justin, congratulations. So paano daw sumali sa raffle? Punta lang kayo, boss, sa namin, sa Facebook page, Investa. Yung pinned post, that's actually a share contest. Just follow the instructions and the mechanics and baka manalo pa kayo sa Saturday. That's the bigger draw. We're gonna be giving away VIP pass to the Investa Summit. So next, our second to the last winner, yung fourth. Congratulations to Maribel Dulot. So Maribel, congrats. Panalo ka ng focus group session with Berio. So next. So our last winner for the night para dito sa focus group with Bear, si Ardel Alcones. So Ardel, congratulations. So yan yung 5 na initial winners natin para sa focus group session with Bear. Alright, so now we'll be giving away 2 starter passes para sa Investagrams Trading Cup. But before natin gawin yan, let me just stop your share, Francine, really quick. So before we give away the para sa Trading Cup, plug ko na rin real quick. For those na di pa nakakita, we already launched the Investagrams Trading Cup 2021, 800K in total prizes. And I think the big thing that's interesting here, if you already know the Trading Cup, is now we're actually going to be giving away community rewards. And the best performing community can win up to 100,000, right? That's on top of the individual prizes you can win if you make the top 10 or top 40, right? So the thing here is you have to create your own guild on the platform, and the mechanics of this will come in next week. We're still finalizing everything, but yeah, this is gonna be an interesting mechanic din pagdating sa competitions. This is the first time na magkakaganito. So yeah, just check it out if you guys are interested. Dami na nga sumali, surprisingly. So yeah, ito yung mga champions natin before. So yeah, just check it out. Double up pass para makuha lahat ng mga benefits. 3 months prime, double up na prize pool. Kasi kung naka-starter or regular lang, dito ka lang sa right side yung prizes mo. So if you want double up times 100% increase premium mo, dapat naka-double up. So yeah. So Francine, let's call on our 2 free winners ng starter pass para sa Investa Summit. Ay, sorry. Para sa Trading Cup. Oh yeah, this is This is the share contest. It's the pinned post on our Facebook page. So just follow the instructions in the caption. So on the draw during the live charting session on Saturday, pwede kayo manalo. So yeah. So game. Let's call on our 2 winners para sa starter pass na libre sa Trading Cup, which you can upgrade to a double up pass kung trip mo. So our first winner, si Boss Patrick Milan. So Boss Patrick, congratulations, panalo ka ng starter pass para sa Trading Cup. And for our final winner, congratulations to Sakura. So, sa mga Naruto fans dyan, triggered, right? De joke lang. So, Sakura Kaoru. So, Sakura, congratulations. Panalo ka ng starter pass sa Trading Cup. So, now, for the last thing we're gonna raffle off, I think the one everyone's really waiting for. So, share ko ulit yung screen ko. We're gonna be giving away a standard pass to the Investa Online Summit. The Investa Summit 2021. Next Gen Money. So it's 20 days from now. If you guys don't know about the event, basically Next Gen Money, we're inviting the best traders locally and globally. Really, that's the goal. And not only sa stocks, but also global markets. Ito yung theme Global market, syempre uso ngayon, NFTs and cryptocurrency. So, honestly, hindi ako nagbubuhat ng bangka, but this is arguably the best speaker lineup we've ever had in terms of the caliber ng mga speakers natin. If you guys check out the website, we have a Market Wizard, US Investing Champion, Momentum Master, and just the rest, right? CIO ng Union Bank, of course, Javi's here. Edmond and Lawrence from Kalum Z. Michael Enriquez, CIO of Sun Life Investment Management. If you're following the NFT space, Luis Buenaventura II. President of CUL Investment Management, Marvin Fausto. President of AAA, Matt Cabangon, and the rest of the speakers as well. Diba? Head of Fixed Income from Atram, Sir Miguel Liboro. So yeah, just big names really. So kanina 'di ba pinlog ko yung Trading Cup. Dito naman, if you take the VIP All Access Pass, may libreng Trading Cup to actually. So libreng double up pass. So honestly ito yung pinakasulit. So yeah. Anyway, we'll be giving away 1 free standard pass. So worth 2.5. So wag natin patagalin pa. Paraffle na natin. Sorry, sakit na muna ko. So game, Francine. Yo, Francine. Paraffle na natin yung 1 free standard pass. Si Francine. Oy, Francine, yan. So, congrats to Yvette Camille Tagala. So, Ma'am Yvette, I don't know if you're watching the stream, but congratulations. You are our winner for 1 standard pass sa Investa Summit 2021. So hopefully, ma-enjoy mo yan and marami kang matutunan sa event. So yeah, that ends the raffle. Congrats sa mga winners natin. If there's one last thing I can plug, right? It's 99 ngayon, di ba? Sa Shopee, sa Lazada. Siyempre sa Investa may pasabog din, di ba? So, oops, wrong. That's not what I wanted to share. Isa pa. This one. So yeah, so every Investa user, if you check your Investa wallet right now, meron kang 500 libreng wallet credits from Investagram. So you can use this in any Investa feature or product worth 2,000 pesos and above. So that's Investa Prime Plus. I believe you can use this in Open Journal. Shout out to OJ fam. You can use this in Investa Prime Elite. You can use this sa Investa Summit. Hindi to pwede sa Trading Cup. Trading Cup kasi 1-3 yung most expensive ticket. But yeah, for those who are looking to attend the Investa Summit, you can use this in the Investa Summit. So yeah, that's our rainy day pasalubong for everyone na baka malungkot dahil umuulan. So para sa inyo to, kaya ngiti na kayo. Yeah, that's our 99 parang promo. And it's gonna be active, I believe, until sometime next week, no? So hindi to forever, you know. So yeah. Hopefully, magamit nyo bago mag-expire. So yeah, and just to end, surprisingly, there's 100 people still with us now. There's one last thing I can share. I hope I'm gonna click the right one. Yeah, it's a while ago. Actually, this morning, it's been a really long day for me. I woke up at 5:30. Because I had to do this interview at 6 a.m. At 6 a.m. So this is Tom Basso. Tom Basso is a market wizard, and he's one of our speakers for the Investa Summit. He decided not to do a presentation. If I can share the story, he decided to do it interview style. Bakit? So I could extract the most wisdom out of him. Kasi mahina daw siya gumawa ng presentation. And our interview lasted an hour and a half. So can you imagine, 6:30, bagong gising, rekta market wizard, kinakabahan ako niyan ha. Pero sobrang bait. Tom is such a nice guy. Gave a lot of his time for the event. Tapos may live Q&A pa para sa audience. And I can just say, I did my best to extract the most wisdom I can out of Tom. And we're gonna learn a lot from his experiences. Yes, online tong summit, boss. So yeah. It's all online. Pre-recorded yung mga talks. And then then we're gonna have a live Q&A as well with everyone. So yeah. Super excited for you guys to hear this interview. The best interview I've done so far. An hour and a half, the longest one I've ever done. And it was just such an honor to have the opportunity na dati binabasa ko lang yan sa libro. Tapos kanina nakausap ko. It's starstruck ako. Uy, market wizard, nakausap ko. So yeah. Really excited for you guys to hear that interview. And honestly, this summit is crazy. The lineup's crazy, to be honest. When we were planning it, I never expected it would be this great. And I'm just super proud of the team and really excited for all the attendees. So if you guys are attending, you're up for a treat. No, we did our best to make it value for money talaga. And yeah, hopefully we can see you guys there. So I'm gonna end the stream there. Di muna tayo magpapa-charting session talaga ng buo. Sa Sabado pa yon, Saturday night, 8 p.m. Can't do it on Sunday. We have an OJ Open Journal session, 8 to 10 p.m. on Sunday with Javi and Matt. So I'm gonna be there, focusing. We're gonna be talking about crypto, right? The approach moving forward, and I'm gonna be there to learn from them. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here. There's 95 people still here from YouTube and Facebook. So yeah. Good evening to everyone. Good night. Hopefully you guys get good sleep. I've been awake since 5:30. I'm gonna go to sleep right after this. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Saturday para sa live chatting session natin. So congrats sa MCUP winners natin. Congrats sa mga nanalo sa raffle. And hopefully I can see you guys sa Investa Summit 2021. So yeah, good night. See you Saturday night for the live chatting session, 8 p.m. And yeah. Good luck sa final trading day of the week tomorrow. So good night. Bye-bye. Ingat tayo lahat.